Hi, I'm Charlotte Lawson, a registered and licensed dietitian. And if you're looking to keep your protein balanced or moderate, you're probably wondering what foods can I have and what foods should I avoid? Well, first, if you do have a certain condition that's making you moderate or limit your protein, or even in fact increase your protein, make sure you're speaking with your physician or your personal dietitian to find out your exact protein needs. Typically, an average person requires about zero point 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. So that's kind of about half your weight to 1 gram of protein in a well-rounded estimate. Now, foods that are high in protein are typically our animal sources, and this type of protein is really the best absorbed by our body because us as animals don't have to change the combinations of the amino acids to absorb them from other animal products. For instance, the egg is what we call our golden standard protein. It's almost 98% pure protein, and our body absorbs almost all of it. So when you're choosing those meats and animal products, be sure to choose lean versions as well, because you don't need that extra saturated fat that often comes in animal products. Now keep in mind we get protein from other things as well. For instance, some of our vegetables, like legumes and our beans, as well as the whole grains, do contain some protein. So when we kind of do that combination, and we get that combination of proteins, we can still get the complete proteins we need. Now, if you're trying to moderate your proteins, be sure to kind of avoid those animal sources, but still incorporate about a good 3 ounces or so per day. And again, just be aware of your whole grains and fruits and vegetables. Also keep in mind, any well-rounded diet does include all 5 food groups. So try touching on some of more leafy vegetables and eating some more fruits throughout the day. There's just a couple tips on how to keep your protein levels moderate. I'm Charlotte, and eat happy.